Hey, I need you to sell me that Accord by the end of the day.
I'm not a salesperson. You can buy a new car.
Yeah, actually, I'm looking to buy a new Civic.
Oh, well, as you can see, we got plenty of new Civics over here.
Wait, that's an Accord.
Now it's a Civic.
Wait, what? Wait a minute. Where did you go?
I'm right here. Car is great for fuel economy. It has heated seats, air conditioning, and a backup.
But I wanted a vehicle with Bluetooth.
Oh, well, as you can see right here, there it is. And as you can see, we have a very spacious trunk.
Can a man have some privacy now? Shut the door, will you?
So do we have a deal? Great.
I thought I told you to sell the Accord.
I did sell the Accord.
Hey, I'm not one of the accessories! Let me out of here! Golly, man. These are made for big people. Whew. Now you can go.